Hello, Tia here, wig coach, wig educator, and owner of Tia Maria Wigs. We are doing a fun video for you today. We're continuing on with our sort of bridal special event month content, bride days, all things special events, wigs, looking gorgeous, everything. So I have 3 styles in multiple colors from Estetica, and these would be my top 3 picks for wigs for weddings and special occasions. And as I go through each style, I'll tell you why. So if you want to find out what my top 3 picks from Estetica are for your next special event, then stick around. So I have at least 2 colors of each of the ones I'm going to show you. I picked 3. I love Estetica so much, and I do think a lot of their styles lend very nicely to special events. So we're going to talk about it, and I'm going to show you multiple colors and all of the things. So this makeup look and this hair are in some of the other videos that are going up this month, and one of them is using colored wigs for your special event. That's where this is coming from. And then this whole look is part of a 1 palette, 3 looks, minimal, romantic, and sort of glam for your special event using the Huda Beauty new nude palette. So if you want to see how I did all of that, that's what you're going to look for. Okay. All right. So it is storming a little bit. So we're going to take this out. So the first style, if you've been here at all, you shouldn't be surprised about what it is. But the first style that I would choose to recommend for sort of a special event wedding hair would be Ocean. I think that Ocean is a perfect length. It has a bit of a wave, and you can wear it down, you can wear it up, but it's not too much hair. So let's go ahead and look at it. I have 1 billion videos on Ocean, so you can go check out Ocean if you would like. The Estetica playlist will be down below. There's also going to be a full playlist for this particular bridal scenario. Okay, I'm just gonna look and show you some of the different colors. It comes in a ton of colors, and you can check that out. I have Iced Mocha. Now these Oceans are part of my personal collection, so these are my personal wigs. But we're gonna look at them, and I'm gonna tell you why I think they're great choices for your special event. So first and foremost, Ocean has that wide lace front edge. So that means you don't have to commit to a particular part. If you decide to change up your hair, this gives you all of the versatility of a monotop for a bit of a lesser price point. So I think this is a perfect cap construction for special events. Now this one, definitely I wore this, so we're gonna need to brush this out a bit, which is totally fine. The one we're looking at now is in the color Iced Mocha. She's got hooky do straps. We're gonna use the Trust Tech Dual Leave-In Conditioner just so I don't rake through this wig and mess it up. You always start from the bottom and go down when you're combing your wig out. And like I said, this can be sort of parted any way you want. So because we're gonna look at a couple of these, let's go ahead and part it on the right side. So this has a wonderful wave to it. You can easily accentuate the wave. You can also use the Estetica sea salt spray if you want a little more wave and texture, but look how gorgeous that is. It's a perfect length, and I do think it's a really nice density, especially if you're wearing a wig for your special event and you're not used to wearing wigs. It's not going to be like too much hair. You can see just really quickly brushing it through how pretty this is. Like I said, you can part it any way. You can wear this down with a little accentuation. You can wear it back like this. There's just so much that you can do. So I do think Estetica Ocean is one of my top 3 picks from Estetica for your special event. See, look how easy that came back to life. Okay. So the next color that we have is Americano. The other nice thing about Estetica's Ocean is the length, but you're gonna see, because it's not too thick, you can do sort of an updo or like a chignon or something like that without any real issue. Man, I didn't comb any of these girls out. Oops. This is a trick to use this dual leave-in conditioner in the back on the nape, and it does help reduce a bit of tangling in that area, because that does get pretty tangled in general. Sometimes my wigs are fine in every other way, but right there at the nape, they're kind of like, eek. The other nice thing about choosing Estetica is that their cap construction is a bit bigger. So their average cap is a bit larger than the traditional average cap of other places. And they do have petite styles. But if you have bio hair, then you'll have room for your hair underneath. And also it can accommodate a bunch more circumferences. All right, so we're looking at the Americano. And the nice thing about, like, especially this is part of their coffee collection. So this is the other thing nice about Estetica that I love for your special event, is because with these coffee collections, you can part anyway. So I'm going to part it a little bit more in the middle. But what I like to do, because you have this sort of balayage scenario going on, this is so, so pretty. This is all the hair to the front, so there's like not a ton of hair. But what you can do is you can have like this base color, and say you're like, well, I don't really need all this balayage, but I'm going to put my hair up for the wedding or the event. You can really have fun with the fact that these lighter colors on the ends are going to give you something going on in the back that's beautiful and interesting and not too much. So I'm just going to do a simple little knot here, just to show you kind of what I'm talking about. So you can see then all those light pieces are going to be concentrated towards the bottom, so it gives it something beautiful. And if you have flowers and everything, but it's not too much in the front going on, depending on like how you're wearing your makeup or how your dress is. So because it's more of a realistic density, you're not getting like a ton of hair at the nape of your neck. Now I'm just using this clip just to show you how beautiful it can look in the front without me having to hold it, but I would do more of a knot if I was going to do it for a special event. But do you see how classic and stunning that is? Oh, absolutely. And then the last color that we have for Ocean is Toffee Latte. And a lot of people, including myself, mix up Toffee Latte and iced mocha. So this is the iced mocha over here, and this is the Toffee Latte. They do have similar base tones, but this is a lighter tips. This is more golden. Okay. And also I do feel like because this is more golden, you see the highlighting a bit more higher up on this one than you do on this one. But I was wearing Toffee Latte forever thinking it was iced mocha. I was wrong. All right, so this is the iced mocha. And this right now is the Americano. I love this one so much. It's a dark brown, but it can appear really, really dark in certain areas when it's not as dark as it might appear. And then now we're gonna look at the Toffee Latte as the last color for Ocean. I wanna talk down below, like, of Estetica, you know, since we're just gonna talk about Estetica right now, what is your sort of top Estetica style that you would recommend to someone for a special occasion, especially if it's different than what I suggested? See, I feel like this does have the highlighting and the balayage, but it's not as defined. And so that might be more desirable. So because this has the wide lace front edge, you can also wear this just back away from the face. And this is often how I wear it just in general, is I wear it back away from the face. You know, it's such a nice thing about wearing synthetic. It's like, it doesn't matter if it's raining out, if it's hot out, like all the conditions that can affect your bio hair just aren't an issue when you're wearing synthetic. And then there you go, little spritz and a little brush and you're all good to go. And so you could just do, you know, a gorgeous clip or something, and you know, just have a really classic away from the face type of look, and it would be stunning. So definitely Ocean. It's just one of my favorite styles in general. Now I just clipped this back, so I wasn't like actually making it perfect, but we're just talking about what might be a good option. It's also long enough to kind of do an updo if you wanted to do that as well. But this is just, to me, a very easy wig to wear. Next up, I have Mackenzie. So let's get her out. I think I have a couple of videos on Mackenzie, and we're gonna look at her in the color Caramel Kiss Rooted and also R148H. I also want to keep one of these Mackenzie, so in this video we're going to do a little side tangent where I decide which one of these I want to keep. I've been having a love affair with the 148H lately. So the nice thing about Mackenzie is that it's a bit longer. So if you wanted to do more updos or something more intricate, you could, but it also still has that wide lace front edge. So I really think that that is a perfect compromise, especially if you're not 100% sure how you want your hair to be. This is an option. She does essentially have a bang depending on where you wear it. So let me just put this sort of in the middle. Isn't this such a beautiful color? I think this color is prettier than it appears to be, like in a swatch. So again, this is Mackenzie, and I feel like because she does have a little bit of a bang, you can either clip it back, leave it go. This is all the hair to the front, so there's not an excess amount of hair, but you could do, you know, a gorgeous updo. You have the tendrils already, like all the things that you would spend time doing, worrying about falling. You wouldn't have any of those issues at all with this particular style. Let me just clip it up so you can kind of just get an idea. Look how stunning that would be in like 2 seconds. Spray it up, put it on your mannequin head, and then just wait for the special day. That's just one thing off your plate. No matter if you're the mother of the bride, a party goer, the maid of honor, you just have nothing to really worry about. Oh, look how stunning. Since it's not a ton of hair, even when you clip it up, it's not going to be super heavy. So I definitely think Mackenzie is one of the three that I would suggest. It's giving you a lot of options. Let's look at the Caramel Kiss Rooted. Now she does come in Caramel Kiss Rooted and Unrooted. And again, I'm going to pick one for myself so we can see the difference. You know, it's got a little bit of highlighting. They're not a ton different in terms of the base color. This one's a little bit darker, but not a ton. I actually kind of like this one. But let's check out the Caramel Kiss Rooted, and then we will see which one I'm going to keep and also give you a better idea of what you can use for your special day. Oh my gosh. I was going to say definitely the other one, but I don't know. Which color do you think I should go for? I usually always like clip my wigs back in the front. This is how I usually wear them. I kind of like that this has some highlighting to it. You could easily slick this all back in the front. Look at that. If you wanted it back away from your face. I really like this, but for some reason I'm partial to this color. So I think for me, personally, I'm gonna go with this one. But you can see what this has to offer, this particular style for weddings. Okay, and then the last but not least is Miss Verona. I don't know if I have a standalone video on Verona or not, but I do think that it's a great wedding option as well for a bunch of reasons. And it's gonna be the longer. So I went from like the shorter to the longer. So let's go ahead and look. I have her in two color, Iced Mocha and Americano. I already have her in Toffee Latte. So I want to keep one of these and get rid of the other one, okay? We're doing videos, but we're also picking out wigs as well. I can't decide. What do you think? Should I keep the R148 or the Caramel Kiss RT4? I think I'm going to go with the R148. All right, I'll be right back with Verona. Okay, so last but not least, we have Verona. So we have Iced Mocha and we have Americano. This is my favorite style in general, but I love this for wigs for a lot of reasons. And I have this in Toffee Latte, so I feel like I might just want the Americano and I'm not going to keep this one. But let's go ahead and look at it. So this is a full monotop. You have way more area to work with in terms of styling, any type of braiding, things like that would be great. It is the longer of the three styles, and it does have sort of these bangs, hand-tied lace front. All the rest are what they are. The thing I love about this particular style is that it's still not a ton of hair, but I do feel like the versatility is there. You have these bangs. It's so beautiful. You could be doing like braiding back like this. You could be just doing so much with this particular style that as far as like styling wise, this is a great option. You can part it any way you want. You could do like some twist type things. You know, you could do a lot with this particular style. I think it's one of the better options with regard to Estetica. You want to do a top knot situation, you know, you can do that. Put, you know, florals all around. Like, you can just do so much with this particular style. Let's go ahead and look at it in Americano, because that's the one I'm so excited about. That's one I think I'm going to keep, so we can brush through it and really take a look at what I think we can do with that particular style. All right, so let's go ahead and put this on. Yeah, see, if I wanted to do some type of like a braiding scenario, this would be so perfect. It is wavy. You can use the sea salt spray if you wanted to dial up the wave. These Estetica styles are not heat safe. They do have heat safe styles, but you could do something like this. So pretty. I absolutely love this for updos. Like I said, you can sort of part it any way that you want. So those are my top 3 picks from Estetica for your special event sort of bridal hair. Please put down below which of the 3 are your favorite. If there's a choice to be had, which color should I pick? I think for this one, I'm definitely going to pick the Americano because I have Toffee Latte, which is similar to Ice Mocha, but I'm not sure about the Mackenzie. So you tell me which one I should keep for that. Which of the 3 would you pick for your special event hair? And is there another Estetica style that you think would be good for special event hair? Put it all down below, okay? But I hope you enjoyed this. If you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up. Tells YouTube you like it, okay? Let's talk down in the comments below. If there's another related type topic that you would like me to do a video on, also put that down below. And thank you for joining us for the bridal event that we're doing, the bride days, all that kind of stuff. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.